guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 24. Now what I'm first going to do is from the left-hand side, because we have 3 terms that are the same, I'm actually going to factor out 2 to the power of x from this. So now we have 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x is 1, plus, same thing, 1, and plus, same thing once again, 1. And this equals 24. So now we have 2 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 24. Now, if we add what's in the parentheses, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 3. So we get 2 to the power of x times 3 is equal to 24. Now I actually want to isolate this here, 2 to the power of x. So to do that, I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides to cancel out this 3. So if I divide by 3 on both sides, these two cancel out, and I'm left with 2 to the power of x on the left-hand side is equal to 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 8, we could actually write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So I'm going to rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So now we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 3. And because these two bases here are the same, this also means that the exponents are the same as well, meaning that this is equal to this. So x is equal to 3. So this is our answer. Now, if I plug this in to our equation here, we have 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 24. Now 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So now we have 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. Now 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 8 is 24. So we are left with 24 is equal to 24. And this is right, so we know our solution is right. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x is equal to 27 to the power of x plus 27. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So I'm going to use this property on 27 to the power of x plus 27 here. So we can think of x as m and 27 as n. So now we have x to the power of x is equal to 27 to the power of x times 27 to the power of 27. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 27 to the power of x. So now these two cancel out and we are left with x to the power of x divided by 27 to the power of x is equal to 27 to the power of 27. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, so both of these terms have the same power, then this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So x to the power of x over 27 to the power of x, this is equal to x over 27 to the power of, to the power of x. Now this is equal to 27 to the power of 27. Now I'm actually going to take the power of 1 over 27 on both sides. So now I have x over 27 to the power of x to the power of 1 over 27, and this is equal to 27 to the power of 27 to the power of 1 over 27. Now, our third property here is if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So I'm actually going to use this property for both of these terms here. X over 27 to the power of x to the power of 1 over 27. I'm actually going to multiply x with 1 over 27. So this is going to be x over 27 to the power of x over 27. Now this is equal to, I'm going to use the same property again. We have 27 to the power of 27 to the power of 1 over 27. I'm going to multiply 27 with 1 over 27, and that is equal to 27 to the power of 1. Now 27, this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So now I have x over 27 to the power of x over 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. So now our fourth and final property here is that if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, and if a is greater than or equal to 1, then a is equal to b. So in this case, we have x over 27 to the power of x over 27 is equal to 3 to the power of 3. So it's not only a that has to be greater than or equal to 1, it's either a or b. And in this case, b is 3, so we can use this property. So now we have x over 27 is equal to 3. And now I'll simply multiply both sides by 27 to have our final answer of x is equal to 81. So this is our answer.